Did you think roosters only crow at sunrise? Think again. Many believe roosters crow only to greet the sun, but that's just the beginning. In truth, roosters crow to communicate. It's their way of saying, "This is my turf." They also crow to alert their flock of danger, or just to show off. So whether it's dawn, noon, or dusk, if you hear a crow, it's all part of rooster life. Now you know why your backyard rooster never seems to stay quiet. Thanks for watching. Like for more amazing poultry facts.